Problems 19 through 21 on your college algebra final exam review are a lot like problems 11 through 16 in that they're focused on horizontal, vertical shifts and transformations. Instead of being given a function and being asked to write an equation for a shifted function, however, we're given a graph and we're asked to identify what each of problems 19, 20, and 21 is going to do to that original graph. In other words, our focus is right now on the given function notation and dissecting what that function notation is telling us. In problem 19, for example, we're being asked to believe that we're taking f of x and shifting it 2 inside the function. A plus 2 shift inside the function is a shift 2 left. So in problem 19, you'd want to look for a graph that looks just like the original graph, only shifted 2 spaces to the left, and that would be choice A. In problem 20, we're looking at a function that's got an outside shift. Instead of the shift going on inside the function, the shift is going on outside the function, and it's a negative shift, so that would be a shift of 2 down. So in problem 21, or in problem 20 rather, you're looking for something that's just like the original function, but which is shifted 2 spaces down, and that would be choice D. Finally, and this is definitely the hardest of the three, in problem 21 you're asked to deal with 2 things. First of all, we've got a negative on the outside of our function, and if you remember what we did earlier in problem 16, I believe, that negative is going to mirror that graph about the x-axis. We also have a shift inside the function of plus 1, and a shift of 1 inside the function that's positive is a shift of 1 left. So we're looking for a graph in problem 21 that shifted 1 to the left and mirrored or reflected about the x-axis. And if you look at all of the available graphs to choose from in the multiple choice problem, the correct answer is B.